Hey guys, so it's Becca from Becca's Lakeside Nursery here, and I just got my swap box from Daisy. So really here, I've just covered up my address and everything. And here's Kiara. She's actually going to help me open it today, so we'll just open it up. Oh, wrong way. A second, let's move her back. Okay, so here she is. And this is what I got from Daisy. So I've got two little nappies, and they've got little hippos on them. There's quite a few of those. So there's 3 of those. And then I got these ones. And they've got Clifford on them, and they're so cute. And they'll fit Ashley really well. And then she's got these little bloomers with this little dress, and that is so cute. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. And oh, this one, so cute. It's got little flowers. And this one, just cute too. Aww. And this little skirt, this little top. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, she looks so cute in that. And I got this little rattle blanket, and it says I love hugs, which is so cute because I love elephants. So I'll give that to her. And oh, so cute little bottle. It says little sweetie. It's got flowers and hearts on it with a cupcake. I'll read that later. And then this is Carter's outfit. Here's the pants. And they've got little buttons there, and here's the jacket, which is so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to put this on her. And this is for me, so I'll just open this. I've just put some new batteries in it. So I also got these dummies in the swap box. So I've got a pink and yellow one, and a purple and pink one, and just a plain pink one. And I got some blue and yellow hair ties. They've got little hearts on them. And these little clips. And this one. And these are so cute. They're like little piggies. Oh no, they're not. They're little elephants. So I also got those. The little slippers. And oh, this is so cool. This is for me. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, so that's what I got, and I'm going to put them on Kiara now, so I can show you in the video. Thanks for watching. Bye. And thank you so much, Daisy. That was really great. Thank you. Bye.